Welcome to the top picks. The best Roku Enhanced Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Roku user looking to elevate their streaming experience, offering a significant upgrade over the standard remote with its intuitive design and advanced features that streamline navigation and control. This device is engineered to put the power of your entertainment right at your fingertips, making it easier than ever to find and enjoy your favorite content with unparalleled convenience and responsiveness. Get ready to discover how this remote can transform your daily viewing habits and bring a new level of interaction to your smart TV setup. Number 5. 2-pack replacement remote for Roku Express, Premiere, Box, Player, 1-4. Tired of losing your Roku remote? This is the perfect replacement for your Roku Express, Premiere, and various Roku models. It's designed to work seamlessly with your device. Please note, this remote is not compatible with Roku sticks or Roku TVs. It also lacks volume control, a power button, headphone jack, pairing button, and voice search. Ensure your original remote does not have a pairing button. This IR replacement remote is specifically designed for Roku Box, Roku Express, Roku Player, Roku Premiere, and Roku 1, 2, 3, and 4 models. It's the ideal solution for these devices. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons. Easily launch Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney Plus with a single press. Get started in seconds. No programming is required. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to control your Roku device right out of the box. Each package includes 2 replacement remotes and a user manual. Experience long-distance transmission up to 8 meters with a quick 0.2-second response time. What we like. This is a straightforward replacement for basic Roku boxes. It works right out of the box with no setup required. If you just need a simple remote to control your Roku player and want quick access to popular streaming apps, this is a great option. What people say. The Roku Enhanced Remote is a great addition to my Roku TV. It has dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, which is very convenient. I love the voice control feature on this remote. It makes it so much easier to find what I'm looking for without having to type it all out. The design of the Roku Enhanced Remote is sleek and modern. It feels good in my hand and the buttons are well placed. Number 4. Roku Voice Remote Pro, First Ed. Never worry about batteries again. This remote features a rechargeable battery that powers up with any standard USB charger, keeping you connected to your entertainment. Simplify your setup. It controls your TV's power, volume, and streaming functions, eliminating the need for multiple remotes. Misplaced your remote? Just ask, "Hey Roku, where's my remote?" or use the mobile app to find it quickly, saving you time and frustration. Enjoy your shows without disturbing others. Plug in your headphones to listen privately at any volume, perfect for late-night viewing. Access your favorite content with just your voice. Say, "Hey Roku," to search, launch channels, or turn on captions without lifting a finger. You decide how you want to use voice commands. Easily switch between hands-free operation and push-to-talk with a simple flip of a switch. Customize your experience with personal shortcuts. Set up one-press access to your favorite playlists, settings, or channels using voice commands. What we like. Tired of searching for lost remotes or fumbling with batteries? This enhanced remote offers the convenience of a rechargeable battery and a lost remote finder feature. If you value hands-free operation and want a premium experience, this is the one for you. What people say. The Roku Enhanced Remote is a great upgrade from the standard remote. It has dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, which is very convenient. The voice search feature works surprisingly well and makes finding content a breeze. Number 3. Roku Streambar SE. Introducing the Roku Streambar SE, experience brilliant 4K streaming and surprisingly big sound, all in one compact device. It's the perfect upgrade for any room. Ideal for bedrooms or cozy spaces, this 2-in-1 device upgrades your TV's sound and streaming capabilities. Enjoy a seamless entertainment experience. With its easy interface, your favorite apps launch in a snap. Enjoy stunning 4K HDR picture quality optimized for any TV. Never miss a word of dialogue again. Enhanced speech clarity ensures crisp, clear conversations, making closed captions unnecessary. 2 premium speakers and a dedicated bass port deliver dynamic tones. Elevate your TV's audio with a significant sound upgrade. It intelligently adjusts volume to make voices clearer and commercials quieter. Explore presets for music, movies, and more. Setup is incredibly simple. Everything you need is in the box, just plug it in, connect to the internet, and start enjoying. What we like. Looking to upgrade both your TV's sound and streaming capabilities without clutter? This device combines a 4K streaming player with a soundbar, delivering clear dialogue and immersive audio. It's perfect for smaller spaces or anyone wanting a simple, all-in-one solution. What people say. The Roku Enhanced Remote is a great upgrade from the standard remote, offering voice control and dedicated app buttons for quick access to your favorite streaming services. Setup was a breeze, and the remote feels comfortable in hand. The voice search feature is surprisingly accurate and responsive, making it much easier to find content. The addition of TV volume and power controls is a game-changer, eliminating the need for a separate TV remote. It's a well-designed and functional remote that enhances the Roku experience. Number 2. Universal Roku TV and Player Replacement Remote. Tired of a broken remote? This universal replacement works seamlessly with all Roku TVs and player boxes. It's the perfect solution for your entertainment needs. Get back to watching your favorite shows in no time. Pairing instructions are included for a hassle-free setup. You'll be in control within minutes. Unlock a world of entertainment with support for thousands of streaming channels. Access Netflix, Amazon, Sling, and Hulu with dedicated shortcut buttons for your convenience. Take full command of your viewing experience. This remote features dedicated buttons for TV power and volume control, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. Crafted from high-grade ABS and silicon, this remote is built to last. Its comfortable design ensures a pleasant user experience, even during extended use. Please note that this remote is designed for Roku TVs and player boxes only. It does not work with Roku sticks or players. Ensure compatibility before purchase. Remember to grab 2 AAA batteries to power your new remote. They are required for operation but are not included in the package. What we like. If you're looking for a remote that can control both your Roku player and your TV's power and volume, this is a solid choice. It offers quick response times and shortcut buttons for popular apps. This is ideal for those who want to consolidate their remotes and have essential TV controls at their fingertips. What people say. The Roku Enhanced Remote is a great upgrade for navigating your Roku device. It features voice control, allowing you to search for content or control playback hands-free. The remote also includes dedicated app buttons for quick access to your favorite streaming services. Number 1. All-in-one Roku and Vizio TV Remote. Tired of juggling multiple remotes? This universal remote is designed to simplify your entertainment setup, offering seamless control for your Roku devices and Vizio TV. Navigate your favorite Roku channels and apps with ease. It's pre-programmed for a wide range of Roku models, ensuring a quick and hassle-free setup. Beyond Roku, it also works perfectly with your Vizio TV. Control essential functions like power, volume, and channel selection without missing a beat. Unlock even more possibilities with 9 learning keys. Easily program it to control other devices like Blu-ray players or soundbars, consolidating all your entertainment needs into one device. Jump directly to your favorite streaming services with 4 dedicated hotkeys. Enjoy instant access to Netflix, Prime Video, Hulu, and Sling with a single press. Experience a comfortable grip and responsive buttons designed for long-lasting use. Its stable, high-quality construction ensures reliable performance, click after click. What we like. Need a remote that can do more than just control your Roku? This option features programmable learning keys, allowing you to control other devices like your TV, Blu-ray player, or soundbar. If you want a truly universal remote and don't mind a bit of initial programming, this offers maximum customization. What people say. The Roku Enhanced Remote is a great upgrade from the standard remote, offering voice control and dedicated app buttons for quick access to your favorite streaming services. Setup was a breeze, and the remote feels comfortable in hand. The voice search feature is surprisingly accurate and responsive, making it much easier to find content. The backlit buttons are a fantastic addition, especially for late-night viewing. It significantly improves usability in low-light conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.